Hey Jude, Charlie. If you want to make proper slime, you've come to the right place, because I'm an expert. The first thing we're going to need is this. It's a special type of glue called PVA glue.
PVA glue, check.
Then we're going to mix it with some paint. Charlie, Jude, can you help me mix it?
Okay. Oh,
Wow.
nice.
Now, good mix. Oh, great.
Doesn't look very slimy, Kira.
Aha, not yet, Zoom. Next, we're going to need this. It's a special chemical called borax, which I've mixed up with some water.
Borax. That's a funny word.
It's the secret ingredient for really great slime. Let's add it to our mixture a little at a time. The trick is to start mixing it straight away. I'm going to start pouring this in. Just a little bit. Yeah, keep going. Really good.
Stir it all up. Oh, yeah. It's starting to get thicker.
Yeah. Okay, we got some more.
Maybe it'll work now.
Good mix. Guys, how does it feel? Do you want to feel it?
Yeah. Fun. Yeah, it's working.
Do you want to stretch it? Yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, stretch
gooey.
it.
Okay, now
And then... See, it's working. How does it feel, guys?
really squishy.
Really squishy.
Mushy and gooey and slimy and what?
Really good.
How come slime is so slimy, Kira?
Well, Zoom, it's all about how the borax and the PVA glue mix together. And I can show you with this leftover spaghetti from our dinner. You could say that the PVA glue we use to make slime is really like this spaghetti. PVA is made up of tiny bits that are arranged into long shapes called polymers.
Who?
Polymers. They're a bit like these pieces of spaghetti. They slide over each other really easily, and that's what makes the glue runny.
Oh.
But when we add the borax, it's a bit like tying knots in the spaghetti. Guys, can you give me a hand tying knots? Here's some for you. And here's some for you. Great.
I thought you said we weren't supposed to play with our food, Kira.
It's okay if it's for an experiment, Zoom. Oh, that's really good, Charlie.
Oh, nice.
How are you getting on, Jude? Really good. Don't anymore. Oh, that's perfect.
Nice
That's
knot.
perfect. That's a great knot.
Oh, not bad at all.
Great, guys. Thanks so much.
Finally.
That's loads.
Yeah.
Now our spaghetti is all clumped together. And look, it doesn't slide around as easily. And that's a bit like how the glue turns from liquid into slime. So there you have it. The secret to great slime. Every time.
Let's find out.
So, Charlie and Jude, what did you think of Kira's slime?
I thought it was really stretchy and really fun.
Well, now it's my turn. I've got a pretty good slime recipe of my own. You guys ready to get stuck in? Get it?
Whatever.
Stuck
Maybe you should just get started, Mark.
in? Okay, right. There are only two ingredients. Water and this white stuff. It's called corn flour. And we're gonna mix them together to make a really cool slime. Okay, so first, we're gonna put in the corn flour. Like this. Right.
That just came
Get
in
it
a
all
big
in.
lump.
Yep. What's next?
Water.
Yeah.
Water
that in
power.
Right, let's get that in there. Charlie, Jude, spoons. And let's
Very
get
thick
stirring.
and lumpy, yeah.
It is thick and lumpy, but we just gotta keep on stirring.
Oh, okay.
Nice and carefully, guys. Excellent. All right,
What is
good stuff,
this
guys.
substance?
I'll take these. There we go.
Mark, that doesn't really look like slime, though.
It's more watery.
Yeah.
Yes. But watch this. Charlie, Jude, can you both put your hands very slowly into the basin?
Oh, that is so sticky.
It is sticky.
Ugh.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's just like gooey liquid, Mark.
But we're not finished just yet, Zoom. Charlie, Jude, now I want you to put your hand in really quickly.
What's happening? Now it looks like it's hard. I don't get it. How's that possible?
What's it feel like?
Hard.
That's what's so cool about this slime. Sometimes it acts like a runny liquid, and sometimes it acts like a hard solid.
But how can the same thing be runny and hard?
Well, there are tiny bits of corn flour floating in the water. And when we move something, like our hand, slowly through it, those tiny bits stay floating and it feels just like a liquid. But when we move quickly, the corn flour bits clump together to make it feel like a solid. Even if you hit it really hard, it won't splash like a normal liquid would. Watch this, guys.
Whoa. Wow, Mark.
Whoa, that...
Your slime really packs a punch. Get it?
I get it, Zoom.
Whoa.
Anybody home?
It's got a pretty cool name too. It's called oobleck. Guys, why don't you have a go?
Oh.
It's harder than the last time.